shooting the Mosin Nagant Carbine in 7.62 by 54R for the very first time. I've been told the recoil on this round is a little bit stout, so we shall see. Loading it up and see how she goes. Not too bad. Not too bad. I couldn't tell how much of the flame comes out. Also, they say that sometimes working the bolt can be sticky. They're hard to close, hard to open. We'll see if it gets worse as it gets hotter and melts any coating on us. This is the silver tip 7.62 54, and the recoil wasn't bad, but I have a gel pad on my Browning shirt here, and so we'll see how she likes it here. Here's the hair low. It definitely is loud and definitely has some recoil, but with the gel pad or whatever this reactor pad it is, works fine. The action on this one is nice and smooth. It's a counterboard crown. It was a counterboard down about 1.5 inches. Probably somebody cleaning it messed it up. It's one of the refurbs, and it came in really nice shape. You know what? We'll do one more round. Get it into the magazine there. Close her down. Yeah, definitely has some recoil, but not unpleasant.